Welcome to another episode of AI Versus by SIKE. Here we see how it can help folks working in marketing and events. We again go to the Dreams feature to see SIKE work its magic. We'll scroll down to create a new dream. And here we're describing what we want these notes to be about. In this case, a new type of business conference. Once we're happy, we can run this query and see the magic start to happen. The first parts that SIKE creates are the various subprompts. These are the other angles, facets of thinking and ideas that the AI model thinks should be related to the original query. When these are done, you'll see our prompt flow language pop up. These are our custom internal instructions we use to tell SIKE to create the various notes we'll need. Let's again skip ahead. When that's done, we'll see a new bunch of blank notes. And these start to get filled out based on what SIKE has come up with as a breakdown from our initial instructions. Instead of skipping, let's speed this part up so you can watch the magic in action. You can also go do other things in SIKE whilst this happens. Heck, you could even log out and log back in. That's because for this sort of longer query, we can have it run in the background. It also means you could come up with a brainwave on the bus and use SIKE on your phone. Then pick up the work on your laptop at the office. Now that it's all done, we can go exploring. First up, we can expand on these notes to see what's inside. We can check out a few of the other notes either just at a glance or expanding on them too. And then we can ask a query. Firstly, we'll check out what this event is all about. In answering this question, SIKE will respond based on what's in these expanded notes. That's a pretty good summary right there. We can ask other questions too, like how does this conference the AI came up with differ from the typical conference? Let's see what it says. We can see the answers streaming in. And if we wanted to, we could even turn this response into an additional note for this dream. Another thing we may want to ask is for critiques and challenges we have with this project, and see how SIKE can help us come up with ways to overcome them. Using AI with human oversight is the key here. So make sure to check and read through all the outputs to make sure you agree with them or not. Here's the full output. We can click to make this into an additional note in this dream. And we can also use SIKE within the notes to help us summarize or expand or review what's been written. Here we'll summarize. SIKE opens up a dialog box on the right of the original note, and you can then choose to copy over the output in totality or parts. It depends on what you need for your work. That's it for this episode of AI Versus, powered by SIKE's Dreams feature, where planning and creativity come to life. What will you dream of today?